Everybody, welcome out to another Photo G.I. Joe Hero toy opening. Today I'm up in the mountains up near me, and I picked up this figure at Walmart. Found it in the clearance section and looked cool. I'd seen it in some other places, or I'd seen it on the wall, the shelf, and thought about getting it, but when it came up for 10 bucks instead of 25, that's when I like to get them. So anyway, this is Nemesis deluxe action figure from Rebel Moon. I'm not actually familiar with the series on Netflix, but she looks cool, and the figure looks cool, so I figured might as well pick it up and then I'll see. But I don't know if you guys have seen it. Let me know what you think. But we'll get this one open and we'll see how the figure looks. Okay. Big box. Lots of plastic in this one. This side open. Oh, she apparently has a spare hand. Just popped out. And there's the second one. So just kind of a regular hand. She's got this like Old West looking hat. It's kind of cool. Need to get both my hands working. And then got these different swords for her. Well, they do not want to come out of there. Okay, so a couple different swords, silver ones, and then like flame looking ones. They're a little sticky, so I'll have to maybe clean something up there. And then get the figure out. It's all there. So there's the figure. She's a little bigger, I think, than some of the others at this 7-inch scale. But her eyes look cool. The head doesn't have a whole lot of range of motion. It does turn a little and pivots a little, but the hair is really stiff and doesn't like to move. She does have elbow or shoulder that moves some, not a whole lot. And then she does have double jointed elbows, and then spins on the bicep. So there's some things to do there. She's got a gripping hand for her sword. Spins on her stomach, and then inside here she's got a ball joint on her hip. Spins on the thigh, double jointed knee, and then ball joint and spin on the foot. So should be a lot to do with this. The artwork is really cool. The pattern on her shirt is pretty cool. Got things hanging around, so we'll see how that goes. The hat, I'm not sure how that works. I don't know if her head comes off. I don't want to break anything. I'll have to play with that. Might have to look that one up, but because that's not going to work. But we'll see. And then obviously the hands for different poses. Okay, well, that's all we're going to do for this figure. I will post some pictures of her in a different poses and that kind of thing, and we'll see how that goes. This does not want to slide into her hand. There we go. Let's get the other one in real quick. and then we will move on. Okay. Okay, thanks everybody for watching. Check this out. Check out my other videos, some of the other random TV shows that I video the figures of. But comment, share. I'd love to hear any feedback, really. But all right, Photo G.I. Joe Hero out.